Whenever we open the Chrome browser, we see thousands of useless ads. But you can delete all these ads in one click. Open Chrome and click on these three dots and turn it off. Now you won't even see the shadow of the ads by mistake. Now if you want to delete all the ads, there are 2-3 more settings for it. Just keep watching the video. Many times we download a photo or a video where we see very ugly adult ads, because of which we feel embarrassed when we are at home or in the office. But after enabling this setting, this will also get deleted. So open Chrome and click on these three dots on the upper right corner. Then click on Settings. Now if you come down a little, you will see an option called Side Settings. Go inside it. Now again, you will have to scroll a little. Then you will see an option called Third-Party Cookies. Click on it and enable the third option. After doing this, you have to come back. And here you will see an option called Pop-ups and Redirects. Go inside it and turn it off. You must have seen pop-up ads on the website or on Chrome. By turning it off, all these will disappear. After that, take a step back again. And here you will see an option called Intrusive Ads. Go inside it and turn it off. Now I told you that on any website, these useless ads are visible. I mean, after enabling this, when you go to any website, no website will be able to show you any ad on its own. Now, after enabling all these settings, assume that 80% of your ads are gone. Now, if you want to make the remaining 20% ads disappear, then you will have to go to your smartphone settings. After going to the bottom, you will see an option for Google. Click on it. Now click on the All Services option. Now you will see the Ads option at the top. If you click on it, you will see three options. So first of all, you have to go to the Ads Privacy option. And the first option you see, go to it and turn it off. Come back again. Then, after going to the second option, turn off the second option. And come back again. Go inside the third option and turn it off. After that, confirm this Reset Advertising ID to reset it. Then come to the bottom option and delete this Delete Advertising ID. And after doing all these settings, Google is gone, Chrome is gone. Nowhere will you see a shadow of any ad.